Hello, my name is David Wang with student ID number 2022121033 for Management Faculty. Today I wanna talk about a resource towards adapting to climate change rather than mitigating or preventing climate change. In simple terms, adaptation understood as the act of adjusting to anticipate the adverse effect of the real climate by building anticipatory strategies and taking advantage of profitable opportunities. The goal is to match the effect of climate change. According of the United Nations Climate Change Framework Convention on Climate Change, adaptation activities are carried out by finding and implementing ways of adapting to climate change. According to the UNFCCC or United Nations Framework for Climate Change Convention, adaptation is an effort to find and implement ways of adapting to climate change. As one of the international institutions continues to seek efforts and action to respond the impact of major change, and that's a major impact on the world community and their livelihoods, as well as mobile to protect climate change. Indonesian at government level adaptation efforts have become part of the short, medium, and long term development plans known as mainstreaming climate change adaptations. Adaptation is agricultural sector is immersed to climate change, so adaptation is mass action is agriculture. For example, change decisions must be formed among others, adjusting planting time to first rainy season, planting food crops, vegetables that are resistant to extreme temperatures, improving system that is more capable of holding water so that it in the long dry water and pesticides. Example of global warming factors. One is volcanic eruptions. Naturally, the phenomenon of volcanic eruptions is because of global warming. When an eruption occurs, a lot of substances are released, such as CO2 and NO2 transportation. 3. Industry. Similar to transportation farms, industrial combustion farms also produce various harmful substances such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides. In fact, the amount is more than transportation smoke It means if, for example, this industry was not regulated, obviously an industrial development for backfires, for airbags and waste disposal. As you know, there are two types of waste, namely organic and inorganic. Well, organic waste does really have much effect on global warming because it can still be dangerous. However, it is inorganic waste that is dangerous, guys, because it is difficult to decompose. In addition to mitigation measures to stem global warming, 1. Use public information and bike. The first way to overcome global warming is limit to use of cars and motorbike only for long distance. For short distance, you can start the habit of walking or use a bicycle. This will limit the increase in carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. 2. Minimize use of equipment containing CFCs. An easy way to overcome global warming is CFCs carbon are compounds containing carbon atoms with chlorine and fluorine bound to them. Are generally produced by air conditioning equipment. Please note that chemicals contribute in the process of greenhouse effects. 3. Turn off electronic devices when not in use. For vegetarian, the eighth way to overcome global warming is to become a vegetarian. According of a recent study, the best and exciting thing that can be done to improve the condition of the planet is to eliminate meat and dairy products from diet. Given the global population is expected to reach a scale of 10 billion by 2060, the research also analyzes the environmental impacts caused by human production and consumption of food. The idea behind this research is to help inform food producers and consumers about better ways to reduce the impact on the earth. 5. Deforestation. The anti-way to over global warming is by planting trees. Let's start planting trees in yard. Planting trees and also reduces the risk of flooding, which is one of the impacts. Global warming discussed in the books Global Warming, Flood and Logging Tragedy. In my opinion, mitigating preventing climate change is more important, because if we have the resource to mitigate a disaster before it happens, so the resource that uses mitigate a disaster is far more better and getting to adapt climate change and another natural disaster. In my personal opinion, is better accurate to resource toward preventing another natural disaster rather than having to adapt